Hey guys, it's me, Fifi. Thank you for tuning in to the video. If you're new to my channel, I want to say welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are already subscribed, I want to say welcome back. I also want to say welcome to Couponing 101. This video is going to be very beginner friendly. I am going to walk you through the steps to becoming a couponer. Now, two of my YouTube buddies, and I'm going to put their pages on the screen. Robin 101. This video was inspired by her. Also, Shanita Marie Randomly, and I'm going to put her channel on the screen. Those two are very, very, very creative. They have awesome YouTube channels. If you have not already, go over and check their channels out. If you like their content, consider joining their families. So, my dear friend, Shanita, did a video last week, and it was kind of a response video to a $10 challenge that I did. She tried to do the $10 challenge, which she did a very good job. A very good job. Now, I think Shanita got discouraged. I think that she didn't think she could do it. Well, I'm here to tell you, don't get discouraged. Don't get overwhelmed. Don't try to go too fast. This video is going to walk you through the steps of couponing. Now, the store that this deal came from is Family Dollar. Family Dollar is where I got this haul from. These are just two of the items. I had to put something here so that you could look at it while I'm talking. Anywho, they came from Family Dollar. Now, you want to make sure the first thing that you do is download the Family Dollar app. Download it to your phone. Sign up for a digital account with Family Dollar. That's the first step. The second step is always look at the sales paper for the week. Most store apps, they have the sales paper for the week on the app. Go into the app, look at the sales paper, see what's on sale, and then you can determine what would be a good deal to pair with your coupons, what would be a good deal to get for the week. You want to make sure you pair your coupon with something that's going to be on sale. Therefore, you are getting more bang for your buck. Now, this is the challenge. All beginner couponers, I challenge you to do this transaction. It is all digital, and I'm going to walk you through these steps. Now, these two items right here, you are going to want to pick up these 2 items. You are going to want to pick up this item. And last but not least, you're going to want to pick up this item in front of you. Now, I used 3 digital coupons, and I will put them on the screen. You only need 3 coupons. When you grab those 4 items, go to the register, type in your phone number, and your digital coupons will come off. Now, I'm going to put on the screen the receipt for these 4 items that I showed you in the video. After you get the 4 items, after you go to the register, type in your number. Your subtotal should come out to be $3.60. Subtotal. Now, if we are in different states, which I know most of us are, your tax may be a little different, but the subtotal should come out to be $3.60. Everybody that completes the challenge will be entered into a drawing for $50. Yes, I am giving away $50 once I hit 2K subscribers. Everybody that completes this challenge will be entered into a drawing, but you have to complete every step. I need you to comment down below, I completed it. Follow me on Instagram, Say with Fifi. Just post your deal and tag me in the post. Simple enough? I think so. So I am going to put on the screen the 4 items you will need to pick up. Now, the reason why I wanted to do this video is because I get a lot of inboxes and comments saying couponing is hard. I don't see how you do it. I could never do it. Yes, you can. It's very simple. One of the reasons why I do it is because couponing is an outlet for me. For those of you that know me, you know why it's an outlet for me. Also, I am a reseller. I coupon, I sell bundles. Y'all remember those $2.99 toothbrushes that I got a while back? Well, I flipped them. I sold them for $20. That's the kind of things that I do with my couponing supply. I donate, I resell, and I keep some for myself. Now, all right, you guys, so this is the haul. These are the 4 items that you need to pick up. 2 Ponds, 1 Big Soleil razor, and a pack of the 15 Purex 4-in-1 packs. Now, the Big Soleil Simply razors, they are priced at $3.65. There is a $3 off 1 digital coupon, making those 65 cents. On the Pond's cream, they are $2 a piece. There is a $2 coupon working on those, so they are that's going to make them 2 for $2 or $1 a piece. And last but not least, the Purex packs. They are on sale this week at Family Dollar for $1.95. There is a $1 off 1 digital coupon, making those 95 cents. So when you leave out of Family Dollar, you will be paying subtotal $3.60. Now, I went ahead and picked up the ponds because Valentine's Day is coming up. And like I said, I am a reseller. I make gift bags. I make gift baskets. Those will be great to put in a pamper kit for a lady, a young lady. So, yeah. I hope that everybody watching will join in on the challenge to get an opportunity to be put in the drawing for $50 once I hit 2K subscribers. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful and if you're excited to do the challenge, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel and you like my content, go ahead and subscribe. And do one more thing for me. Keep watching.